Good afternoon, and thanks for joining us from the Ohio AgNet, the voice you know at the News You Trust studio, sponsored by BASF and Certain Corn Herbicide. Unleash residual power early to allow for pre- or post-application to attack weeds at their weakest. I'm Joe Everett. A couple calendar reminders. Join the Ohio AgNet on Monday as we get an update from Ohio Corn and Wheat about the great work being done to represent Ohio's grain farmers at the state and national levels. Then catch up with Ohio AgNet in South Charleston with Sunrise Cooperative on February 17th as they kick off their FFA Career Day series. Students will have the opportunity to explore careers in ag and get a behind-the-scenes look of Sunrise Cooperative. Now let's check in for an update from Allison Kenny on Cattle Facts.
The popular Cattle Facts Outlook seminar held as part of CattleCon 2026 in Nashville, Tennessee, shared expert market and weather analysis. The U.S. cattle and beef industries entered 2026 with strong but volatile market conditions, as historically tight cattle supplies, record-setting beef demand, and elevated policy and weather uncertainty continue to support prices, even as markets appear to be near cylindrical highs. Tight inventories and exponential demand remain the dominant forces shaping the market. However, producer demographics, high input costs, and policy uncertainty point to a slow and measured expansion phase, said Mike Murphy, Cattle Facts Chief Operating Officer. As we look to 2026, cattle and beef prices are forecast to average steady to higher in 2026, with risk increasing later in the years as market anticipates larger supplies in 2027. For more information, visit ohioagnet.com for the entire article. For the Ohio AgNet, I'm Allison Kinney reporting.
Hey, thanks, Allison, for that update. For all the latest agricultural news, weather, and markets, you can find those today at ohioagnet.com. While talking on the markets, let's take a look at them. Today's markets are brought to you by Seed Consultants. Simply better performance online at seedconsultants.com. Well, things all ended up in the pluses in Chicago. Let's start off with March corn, 431 1/4, up 3 3/4. May corn trading up 5 1/4 to 441 3/4. As we turn to soybeans, March 1137 1/4, up 13 1/4. May soybeans 1152 1/4, up 12 3/4. And July wheat 566 1/2, up 12 cents. As we turn to livestock, February live cattle 242.50, up 15 cents. April live cattle 240.65, down 32 cents. February lean hogs 86.75, down 15 cents. April lean hogs 91.82, down $2.02. And April feeder cattle 363.62, down 97 cents. And May feeder cattle 359.90, down 52 cents. And March class 3 milk trading up 17 cents to 16.49. Thanks for joining us and have a great afternoon, everyone. This is the Ohio AgNet.